Dance progression, a step-by-step breakdown. Hello and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating phrase, dance progression. This term is not just about dancing, but it's a great example of how English phrases can have specific meanings in different contexts. Let's dive in and understand every aspect of this interesting expression. Before we delve into the phrase as a whole, let's break it down. The word dance refers to moving your body rhythmically, usually to music. It's a form of art and expression. On the other hand, progression means a sequence or development of something in stages. When you think of progression, imagine something moving forward or evolving step by step. Now, let's combine these concepts. Dance progression generally refers to a series of dance moves that are taught or performed in a specific order. This phrase is often used in dance classes or when choreographing a routine. The key here is the idea of movement and development in a structured way. Interestingly, dance progression can also be used metaphorically. For instance, in a business meeting, someone might say, "Let's follow a dance progression in our project plan." Here, it implies following an orderly and planned sequence of actions, much like in a dance routine. In different cultures, the idea of a dance progression can vary. For example, in classical ballet, it might refer to a specific sequence of ballet movements. In a street dance context, it could mean a sequence of freestyle moves. Understanding these nuances is important for cultural appreciation and sensitivity. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, dance progression, in all its rhythmic glory. Remember, language is like a dance. It's all about learning the steps and enjoying the flow. Keep practicing, and you'll be fluent in no time. See you in our next video.